Hi, welcome to this demonstration of a top management dashboard designed by Arimon Consulting for a healthcare business to be used by the Chief Executive Officer and his or her direct reports. This is a highly interactive and management action-orientated dashboard designed using Tableau, a visualization tool. It is designed based on the best practices for visualization from Arimon Consulting, such as Balanced Scorecard principles, periodic elements for visualization, and optical vision principles. This is an illustrative dashboard with 4 zones, each zone containing metrics from the various dimensions of a balanced scorecard. First and foremost is financial performance on the top left. Next, you have operational performance on the top right. Then customer and marketing performance on the bottom left. And finally, inventory management or supply chain performance on the bottom right. One could also consider using additional metrics such as people performance, sales performance, etc. based on business needs. Currently, the dashboard contains mostly lagging metrics. One may also consider having either a predictive zone or a combination of leading and lagging metrics in each zone. Arimon Consulting would create the set of metrics that need to be reported at each level while designing the dashboards. Based on a thorough analysis, we will decide on the key metrics which the executive wants to see to show in this dashboard. There are also options to trigger alerts based on threshold values set. As you can see, the dashboard is highly interactive. At the very top, the executive can select primary filters such as speciality and time frame. For example, if we choose cataract only, then the dashboard gets updated for that particular speciality. We can return to a full selection also. In the time frame, the duration for which we want to see can be adjusted using the sliding filters. For example, if we want to see the data only for this financial year, then we can choose the time period accordingly and the dashboard gets updated. You can also view the data using a location or regional filter. Here we have listed all the locations at a city level where the business operates. If we hover the cursor over the cities, we can see a summary menu giving some key metrics for those cities. If we choose any particular city, say for example Delhi, then the entire dashboard gets updated with the information for only Delhi. And if we deselect the city, it goes back to a global view. At this point, it is worth noting that it's possible to group locations at district, state, or region level. Our best practice would recommend that the grouping follow the organisation control structure of the business. Let us now take a deep dive into each functional metrics. On the financial performance, we have revenue, net revenue, average revenue per patient, and realised price percentage. At the bottom, we have shown how revenue, discount, and net revenue have performed on a trend graph. By choosing a particular time period, we can see the metrics for that corresponding time only. On the operational performance, we have a number of appointments, advise to OPD ratio, done to advice ratio, and average waiting time. At the bottom, we have shown how various numbers, such as appointments, OPD, and done, have performed on a trend graph. Then we have the pie chart showing the distribution of OPD, new OPD, old OPD, and OPD review. And again, you can select and deselect from the pie chart. On the customer and marketing performance, we have the channel distribution on a trend graph showing how various channels have performed, and the age distribution on a pie chart showing what proportion of customers are in different categories. We can choose one particular channel from the trend graph or one particular age group from the pie chart for further drill down. We used just these 2 metrics, which was available to us, but we believe that additional customer metrics could be added in this zone, such as customer profile, marketing spend, ROI, etc. On the inventory management metrics, we have used the basic metrics which were available to us. And it can significantly improve as well. In this zone, we have number of items and the value of items in the inventory. At the bottom, we have a bubble chart showing the item details from 2 lines. And a tree map showing the details of a supply distribution. We can choose one particular line from the bubble chart or one particular supplier from the tree map for further drill down. From our experience, dashboards should be developed in agile short sprints since the visual impact and ease of use is difficult to get right first time. Arimon recommends that the dashboards go through a period of stabilization and maturing. Once stable, additional metrics such as predictive metrics can be built into the dashboard. We would like to thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please do send us your feedback and comments to info@arimonconsulting.com. Thank you.